제발 간보기 좀 그만해.
Breakdown of 제발 간보기 좀 그만해. 1. 제발, please, I beg you, often used to add urgency or pleading. 2. 간보기, idiomatic expression, testing the waters, gauging someone, to test, try someone's reaction. 기 equals nominalizer, turns it into the act of testing, 간보기, testing someone out / feeling someone out. 3. 좀, a little, just, please softens or emphasizes request. Hasher 4, from 그만하다 equals stop, quit, enough. Informal command, stop it, quit it. Full meaning, please, stop testing me. Or, I beg you, cut the testing, stop gauging me.
내가 하려던 건 나 아니면 누가 해.
Here's the breakdown of 하려던 거 나 아니면 누가 해. 1. 하려던, 하려다, to intend, to plan to do. Done equals past focused modifier. The thing I intended to do was going to do. 2. 거, shortened form of got, thing, matter. 하려던 거, the thing I was going to do, my plan. 3. 나, 4. 아니면, if not otherwise or else. 5. 누가. 6. head do, informal present. Full meaning, if not me, then who will do it, or who else is going to do what I intended to do. Breakdown of 고민을 전부 다. 1. 고민, were worry, concern, trouble. Object particle, the object. 전부, all, everything, entirely. 4. For 다, all, completely. Often used with 전부 for emphasis, all completely, every single one. Full meaning, all the worries, every single concern, or all of my worries. Breakdown of 내일의 나대로 해. 내일, tomorrow. 내일의 a, possessive particle of. 내일의 나, the me of tomorrow. 2. 대로, as in the way, according to. 나다대로, according to myself as I am, as I want. 3. Informal present form of 하다, equals to do, act, go ahead. Full meaning, do it as tomorrow me would. Or follow what tomorrow me wants, intends. Or in natural English, act according to the me of tomorrow.